So the top part of our washing machine stopped working, this agitator part. It's no longer attached down to the base at all, just sort of flops around. So I looked up online how to replace it. Seems pretty easy. This top comes off. Dust shield comes out. There's a bolt down in there which I need to undo. And that whole thing comes out. It's supposed to come out one piece, but just two pieces. Let's see. Oh yeah. And there's the problem. These are supposed to have teeth on them, which engage and let them flop out. I think only one of them was working, even a little bit. So that one's there. The other ones are just completely shredded. So I'm gonna replace those and see what happens. So I ordered this from appliancepartpros.com. I ordered it late on a Friday and I got it on Saturday, and I paid standard shipping. So I don't know if I lucked out, but great service from them so far. We'll see if they sent me the right pieces. So this is an old one, no teeth at all. A new one, a couple little teeth on there. So the new one should work significantly better, I would hope. Now that's in there. Now these two are locked together. Now it works. Put the dust thing back in. Some liquid dish detergent for lubricant. There we go. Fixed washing machine. That was really surprisingly easy. I didn't know there's so many such easily replaceable parts in there. Well, it's good to know. Clothes should come out cleaner.